Welcome back to the cryptowrld channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and let's get straight into the chart. This right here is the 4-hour Bitcoin chart, and we're actually forming a bullish divergence because we're seeing lower lows in the price action but higher lows in the RSI. And this type of signal basically means this short-term downtrend is starting to lose some of that bearish momentum, because the most common outcomes from a bullish divergence are either some sideways price action or a slight move back to the upside. So obviously for the Bitcoin bulls out there, this is a good sign to see, but keep in mind this is only on the 4-hour time frame. So like I said, this is only showing weakness in this shorter term bearish trend, but when you're zooming out to the 12-hour time frame, it is still very clear that we're in this short-term bearish trend. If you're looking at the RSI and the MACD, both of those indicators are pointing to the downside, which usually means we're in a bearish trend of some sort. But as I've been saying for the last few days now, these sort of trends that we see on the 12-hour time frame usually last for around 1 to 3 weeks on average. And if you're measuring from the local high to where we are right now, we've actually been in this bearish trend for close to 11 days now. And on top of that, the 12-hour Bitcoin RSI is getting closer towards oversold territories. We're not there just yet, but this will be something to pay attention to moving forward for a possible trend reversal. But for the time being, the Bitcoin price is running into this level of support, which is the 38.2% Fibonacci level, and that is coming in at around 42,000, well, just above 42k. So because of the fact that the Bitcoin price is running into that level of support, which is, by the way, the second most important Fibonacci level behind the golden pocket, and also because of the fact that we're seeing this bullish divergence on the 4-hour chart, honestly, it is very likely that we're due to see a bit more sideways price action potentially, but we still have not confirmed a bullish reversal here in the shorter term, so keep that in mind. Now, when you're zooming out to the daily time frame, Bitcoin is still within this massive price range that we've basically been in for around 2.5 months now, and the support and resistance to pay attention to within this price range is basically 45,000 coming in as the resistance, and the support is coming in at around 39,000. And some other levels of support and resistance to pay attention to would be that 48k level as resistance, and also if we break below 39,000, then this previous low coming in at around 37,500 would be an important one to watch as well, because obviously if we break below that level, Bitcoin would finally be making a new lower low on the daily time frame, which at the time of recording this video, we are still actually forming higher lows, which is technically bullish market structure on the daily chart. But as I was saying yesterday, while the Bitcoin price is below 45,000 and above 39,000, we're basically in this more neutral price range at the moment on the daily time frame. And this goes hand in hand with what we're seeing on the 3-day Bitcoin chart. And if you want more information about the 3-day Bitcoin chart and these indicators that we're seeing at the moment, definitely make sure you watch my last Bitcoin update video that I posted yesterday on the channel, because in that video I went into more detail on this chart right here. And just giving you a quick update on the Bitcoin order books today, right now we have a lot of buy orders coming in all the way down towards around 40,000, at least when you're looking at these crypto exchanges right here. And then below 40,000, we do have a bit of a drop off in support, but when you're looking at the sell orders to the upside, right now we do not have as much sell orders compared to buy orders, which means when you're talking about these exchanges right here, it requires less amounts of money to move the price to the upside compared to the amount of money needed to move the price to the downside. And at the same time of that, we're also seeing the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index sitting in fear today. And generally speaking, when this Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is trending further into fear and towards extreme fear, those are some of the best times to accumulate Bitcoin, historically speaking. Now, I want to make it clear that that is not financial advice. I'm just telling you what this indicator means for Bitcoin according to history. And then as this indicator starts heading into greed, and more importantly, extreme greed, those are usually the best times to take some profits off the table, but once again, not financial advice. But anyway, if you found this video useful or simply enjoyed it, please make sure to leave a like down below. And if you're new to the channel, you might as well subscribe with notifications turned on for more updates just like this every single day. And before you click off, if you want to continue to make more money in crypto, whether or not prices are going up or down, then these two videos popping up right here on your screen are definitely made for you. But anyway, that is it for this update. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.